Are you the doctor?
No.
What's your name?
It's me, Mom.
Alzheimer's.
What are we reading?
Slow,
I am
fatal
reading the
disease of
monkey
brain,
story.
affecting 1
Okay,
in
a
10 people
circle
over the age
It's a
of
crazy
65.
thing.
No one
No
is immune.
such.
This is a brain disease where we see
Mama,
loss of brain
Mama.
cells and cell death,
Mama.
traumatic cell death in areas that are important for memory and thinking.
There's about 35 million people globally living with some kind of dementia. And by 2030, they're expecting that to double.
We're leaving today to go to Disneyland.
Are you joking?
No, I'm not joking.
Because it takes from your memory.
I function pretty well,
I don't
but I
have
do have those days when I don't function so well.
Is it?
You wouldn't know if I didn't tell you. But my memory, I think it's good. I think it's good. But sometimes it gets blurry.
How much forgetfulness is too much?
Until you actually live these things and experience them, no one knows what it's like.
My memory? I think it's pretty good. But important things I don't seem to remember.
Answer the same questions 5, 6 times within 10 minutes. I have to be careful how I
They
do it.
forget to do these things. These are just normal, everyday things that they've done their whole lives, and now you have to tell them to do it because they don't remember.
Dementia is a real cruel disease.